Hello, friends. I welcome you from Astana. This is Astana behind me, but I'm living on the very broad avenue, and this is some big repairing or building behind me, so maybe the city is not viewed very well. But anyway, what I'm going to tell you that I have issued my student visa in the USA. Finally. So I'm done for now. Yeah, so I was going through a really rough patch, and it was a hard process. It lasted for 2 years or something because I entered my university in 2020. Now it's very close to 2022. So, yeah, it was a thing, it was a process. Yeah. So Music and I, Music is now in St. Petersburg, lying on the sofa or doing something caddish, I don't know. So we're going to share our experience on our YouTube channel called Fat Director. So you can go there, please go there if you're interested in our life, in our deal concerning TOEFL, student visa, I mean in the USA and all those stuff. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this story as detailed, as long as it only possible, because it was really complicated way, and I'm not done, I'm not finished yet. I'm just in the middle of the process, but I really hope that the hardest part for me is over. I really hope so. Who knows? Maybe not. Who knows? Okay, so you're very welcome on our YouTube channel, Fed Director. So go, please go there. Look at us, Music and I. Music is fascinating. She's fantastic. Yeah, a great deal more fantastic than I am. Yeah, so please go there and look at us, see our stories, and I really hope that you can find something really useful, really interesting for you. Maybe you have the same case, maybe you have the same circumstances as we do. So I really hope that my story will be really useful for you in this madness which is happening now in the world, in our harsh circumstances, and all that stuff. Okay, so I wish you the luckiest evening and I welcome you from Astana.